18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to launch in September 2026, with early leaks suggesting major upgrades in design, performance, battery, cameras and connectivity while retaining the premium Pro series identity. Apple may also introduce its first foldable iPhone around the same time, but the Pro models remain the main focus. The launch is likely to take place in the first or second week of September 2026, and Apple may follow a revised rollout strategy in which Pro models launch first, while the standard iPhone 18 and iPhone 18e could arrive later in 2027. Design-wise, the phones are expected to retain the current Pro series look, including the triple camera setup and rear camera plateau. However, the front may feature a slimmer dynamic island, reducing by around 35%, although under-display Face ID technology is not yet ready. Display sizes are expected to remain 6.3 inches for the iPhone 18 Pro and 6.9 inches for the Pro Max. Apple may also introduce LTPO plus display technology for better efficiency. The Pro Max could become slightly thicker at 8.8mm compared to 8.75mm to accommodate a larger battery. Battery life is expected to improve significantly, with the Pro Max possibly featuring a 5100 mAh to 5200 mAh battery supported by more efficient hardware. At the core of the lineup will be Apple's A20 Pro chip built on TSMC's 2nm process. It is expected to deliver around 15% battery performance and 30% improved efficiency compared to the previous generation. It may also include improved memory integration for better on-device AI performance and space efficiency. Camera upgrades may include a variable aperture system for better light control, a new stacked sensor for improved dynamic range and reduced noise, and an improved telephoto lens for better low light and zoom performance. So when it comes to connectivity, Apple is expected to introduce its new C2 modem with mmWave 5G support and reduce reliance on Qualcomm. The company is also exploring expanded satellite connectivity features, potentially enabling internet access in remote areas and support for third-party apps. Color options may include deep red with purple tones, along with light blue, silver and dark grey. On pricing, Apple is reportedly trying to keep prices close to the iPhone 17 Pro series, which launched in India at 1,34,900 rupees and 1,49,900 rupees for the Pro Max. Despite rising cost from the 2nm chip and memory pricing, Apple may observe some cost to maintain demand in key markets like India, although a small price increase is still possible. Analysts are divided, with some expecting stable pricing and others suggesting minimal increase. Overall, the iPhone 18 Pro series is shaping up to be a performance-focused upgrade with improvements across key areas rather than a major redesign. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.